Types of crimes solved using digital forensics. Cybercrime. Whether it's hacking, phishing, or ransomware attacks, digital forensics helps track down the criminals behind these online threats by analyzing the data and uncovering how they did it. Fraud and AMP, identity theft. Digital forensics is often used to solve cases of financial fraud or identity theft. By looking into digital transactions and online behavior, experts can find out where things went wrong and help victims get justice. Child exploitation. Sadly, the internet is sometimes used to spread harmful content. Digital forensics helps law enforcement recover important data that leads to the identification and arrest of those responsible. Intellectual property theft. If someone's stealing your ideas or business secrets, digital forensics can track down who's behind it by analyzing where sensitive information has been shared or accessed. Insider threats. Sometimes, the danger comes from within. If an employee is involved in stealing company data or leaking confidential information, digital forensics helps uncover the truth by tracking their digital footprints. Corporate spying. Sometimes, companies face competitors who try to gain an unfair advantage by secretly accessing their data or ideas. Digital forensics can help uncover how sensitive business information was stolen and used, helping companies protect their valuable secrets. Human trafficking. Digital forensics aids in tracking down illegal operations by following the digital trails left by traffickers in online transactions and communications. Terrorism. When investigating terrorism, digital forensics helps authorities find key communication and planning details, often leading to prevention or solving of the crimes. Murder and violent crimes. Did someone make a call or send a message at the time of the crime? Digital forensics helps connect the dots with location data, phone logs, and other digital evidence that might link a person to a crime. Harassment and AMP, cyberstalking. If someone's being harassed or stalked online, digital forensics steps in to recover messages, emails, or other digital clues that help bring the perpetrator to justice. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe Echo for Secure for more latest updates.